Welcome in the Business Guide. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can easily form your own LLC in California. In this video, I'm going to focus on the whole process where I'm going to explain you like what are some benefits going this way that I'm going to show you. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help you create your own business. And I always recommend doing it through the, let's say, outsource it to some company to do it for you. Only because I believe that you as a business owner should actually focus on managing the business, making money, and creating value for people, rather than taking care of accounting and taking care of creating the business. So the more you can outsource, the better. So now when you're here in Incfile, you want to click on Start My Business. When you're going to click Start My Business, you're going to find the LLC here, and then state of formation, you want to click and find California. Here you have options to go between silver, gold, and platinum. So here on a silver, you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. Now, what I would recommend, you can go this way if you want to, completely up to you. I would recommend going with the gold or platinum, primarily with the gold, only because you're not going to get only the free registered agent service, but also the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, the phone email support, business tax consultation. And all of these are you're going to have in gold. And then in the platinum version, you're going to have also the expedited filing, for example. So we're going to also talk to you about the platinum in a while, because there we will have option to choose that in the future when we're going to choose the gold, for example. So in a platinum, I will talk to you about, let's say 2-3 minutes in this video. So choose to get the gold package, but if you want, you can go with the silver. But you're going to get more work is going to be on you. So gold package. Here I'm going to add a first name, Marcus Stonelius, and I will add email address. Now I will add a phone number. Then mailing address. Again, I will add it right here. Street address and also the town. Okay, I'm going to press next. Here you're going to have confirm the address. Okay. And now we're going to continue. So here you got the option to state filling time. Here you have option with 8 weeks or 18 business days for $50 or 8 weeks. I'm going to choose the 8 weeks, but of course you can go with the fast version. Now you can have the LLC name. This is the name of the company. So I'm going to name it as I named my company right now, and I'll have Sunway LLC. Of course, you can go with, let's say, Battery, right? Battery LLC. Or you choose whatever LLC name you want. Now, when you got it, also you have to select number of members and owners of the company and business purpose. So let's say I'm in marketing consulting, so I will go marketing let's say marketing services for companies, and then marketing consulting services. Okay, like this. Now I will go further that you can go management method. There are 2 general methods by which LLC may be managed: member managed or manager managed. And the state requires us to specify the management method when LLC is formed. And now you have option, you see, okay, the LLC will be managed by the LLC members, so 99% of time, or the LLC will be managed by one manager. you choose that based on this. I don't know what is your situation. I'm going to choose the LLC will be managed by one manager. So, or the members, owners will participate in the decision-making process of the LLC. So like, let's say this is going to be the first one. But if there is a manager chosen by the members, like let's say there are going to be 5 people in a company, you want to click on the one manager. And five owners of the company are going to say this is the manager that is going to take all the whole stuff. Then you choose the one manager here. Other than that, go with the LLC members. Then you're gonna have the company address information. So here you got an option to use your own address or choose the professional business address and virtual mail service. So we can go with we recommend using virtual address service, where you would have a personal privacy, and also you would get everything here. So it's $29 a month. If you want to go, you can go this way, or you can go with use my own address. And then provide the address you would like listed as your company address, you choose it. But again, if you want to go, you can choose the virtual mail service and professional business address. Is the mailing address the same as the company address above? Yes. If no, you have to fill another address. Then press next. Here, you're gonna have the thing that I like talked to you about, the premium service package. So you can upgrade for only $149 to receive these free premium services. So expedited filing service, business contract template, so you would have 25 high quality legal documents, as a terms of service, sales agreement, privacy policy, employment agreement, state of the organizer, bill of sale. So all of these that you would have. If you need those, I would recommend getting the premium service package. And then you would have also the domain name, the business email service. So now I can like get the upgrade and bonus. And then you can have the member one. So we can go with the individual or company who is the member. And I'm going to choose myself here. And then I'm going to choose also the address. And I've got the 100% of ownership. Click next. Here you're gonna have the option to have the registered agent information. I would go with like, of course, the free version for 1 year, or you would like to, if you want to act as unregistered agent, you can do it. So these are the two options how you can do it. Now click next. Then you're gonna have the tax identification number. So I'm going to choose my name here and just write here my SN number. And of course, like you can write here your own physical street address. We got this. Click next. And then if you want, you can open your own bank account with the Bank of America, or not at this time. But again, I'm not going to force you into this to have the Bank of America account. That's completely up to you. I would press next again, and then I would receive the business tax consultation for free. This is something that I would definitely recommend for you to do to get the free consultation when you're starting your own business. Then press next again, and then you need to have 2 licenses if you have, like, let's say a business in California. It really depends what kind of category of business you're going to choose. So I'm going to press the yes, identify all licenses I need, and send me the necessary applications. I'm going to use the company address, and then I'm going to press next. And now when you're going to do it, you're going to have the review of your company. So agent, company info, contact info, formation, member info, business tax consultation, everything here. Press next. And then billing information. Now this is the last step that we have here. In the billing information, you would simply add a card number, street address, cardholder first name, last name. And when you're going to fill everything, like Incfile is going to write you an email, all the like important stuff that you need. So this is pretty much it. And this is how you can do it. And this is how you can create your own LLC in California, how you can form your own LLC in California. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.